Hello, hope you're in the best of health. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Chatgpt to summarize an article or how to use Chatgpt to summarize a web page. So let's say, for example, I wanted to summarize this article right here. All I would need to do is simply copy the URL. Once I've copied the URL, I'm going to go onto Chatgpt and I'm going to simply tap in the prompt box. Then I'm going to type in summarize. After typing in summarize, I'm going to tap on space, then /. Then from there, you're going to type page. After you have typed page, you're going to simply paste the URL. So you're going to paste the URL, then you're going to tap on enter. After you have tapped on enter, you're going to give it a few seconds. As you can see right there, ChatGPT is browsing the internet, and you're going to give it a few seconds, and then from there you'll be able to see the summary. And I'm going to be showing you how my ChatGPT is able to do that, and I'll be showing you how to enable this on ChatGPT on your device also. But I want to show you the example of how it works or how it looks to see if it suits you, and if it does, then we can continue with the video. So you can see right here it is typing out the summary, as you can see right there. So this is it. So to get your ChatGPT to do this, all you would need to do is go into your Google browser, and what I want you to type in is ChatGPT. So let me copy this right here. If I were to go into my Google browser and type in ChatGPT, I would be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do is tap on the first link, and you're going to add this extension. So once you have tapped on the first link, you will be redirected to this page, and you can see that this plugin is currently being used by over 1 million users. Once you have been onto this page, all you will need to do is tap on add to Chrome in the top right hand corner. And once you have added it to Chrome, all you would need to do now is go back onto ChatGPT, and you're going to realize that right below the prompt box, you see some different icons. As you can see right here, you see web access. So this will allow your prompts to have the latest update. As one of the major pullbacks when it comes onto ChatGPT is that the latest update or information that it has is up to 2021. But with this plugin, you'll be able to get the latest updates. All you have to do is enable web access. After you have enabled web access, from there you have a few options. You can choose partial insights if you want, or if you would like full insights, or if you would like just a quick lookup, you can do that. Also, you can decide how many search results you'd want. So let's say, for example, one result. Also, you can choose how many results you would want. As you can see right here, you can choose one result, two results, or three results. And you can also choose the time. So whether you would like the search results to be within the past day, past week, past month, you can also do that. And with ChatGPT, there are numerous other features. For example, if I were to scroll down, you can see that it is compatible with my device, as obviously it is. But with this feature, you'll be able to get web results for your queries, scrape entire search result pages for full insights, extract web page text from any URL, add and use prompt templates, as you can see right there. And it is very popular, as I told you earlier, as it has been used by over 1 million users. So let's go back into it. And again, to use prompt, all you have to do is tap right where you see default prompt. Then from there, you could tap on new prompt. After you have tapped on new prompt, you can see some sample prompts right here that you can use. So you can see right here. So all you would have to do is tap right where you see new prompt. After you have tapped on new prompt, from there you could type in the prompt name, as this would be a template that you're creating for your prompt. So you could type in the prompt name, then you could type in the query, and you can save that template if you want. And that's it. That's how to use it. Again, all you would have to do, let's say I would like to summarize another article. All I would have to do is simply go onto Google Chrome, and from there, let's say I want to summarize another article. So all I would simply do is type in, let's say I want to summarize this article right here, how to boil dumplings. All I would have to do is select the web page. So I'll simply tap on this page right here. After you have done that, you can scroll down, and from there you can select the page. Then all you'll have to do is copy the URL. Once you have copied the URL, you're going to go back into ChatGPT, and you're going to tap on the prompt box, and you're going to simply type in summarize. Then you're going to tap on space, then /, then you're going to type in page. After you have typed in page, you're going to simply paste the URL. Then you're going to tap on enter. After you have tapped on enter, again, you can see that it is processing right there. And all you have to do is just give it a few seconds. And once you have given it a few seconds, it will process your prompt, and you'll be able to see a summarized version of whichever web page or article that you had added the URL to. So just give it a few seconds. As you can see, it is summarizing it. And you can see right here, here is a quick summary. As you can see right there. So you can see that it has summarized the article real quick. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.